A few days ago, we went to the hospital because my daughter had stomach or gut issues. And one of the recommendations that the doctor advised is that we exclude wheat from her diet. It's been a challenge because this girl loves her chapatis and she also loves pancakes. And that's the reason I decided to explore other recipes that can make pancakes. So here are our ingredients. We have ghee. I prefer using ghee because there's just a certain taste it brings into the pancakes. Here I've already mixed my flour. Okay, I have cardamom, have 3 eggs, sugar, milk, and then I also used rice flour, 250 grams for this specific recipe. And since the flour was not self-raising, I used some instant yeast. You can also use baking powder, but this is what I had in the house, so that's what we used. In case you're wondering why I'm using 3 pans, is because I love saving time. That's the best that I could do. So I use 3 pans so that you're making 3 pancakes at one go. So the recipe is so simple. You basically just mix your rice flour just like you do with wheat flour. You mix it with milk, add some sugar, and then up to your preference, add some eggs and then the instant yeast. You just use a whisk, and once it has mixed together properly, or you can even blend it, then you're going to have your paste that you're going to use now to make the pancakes. And see, these pancakes, okay, they are slightly different from the wheat flour pancakes because they sort of break if you put it to be too light. So for the rice flour, I make sure it's a bit heavy because it is too soft and it is very fine, unlike the self-raising wheat flour. So make sure when you're mixing, it's a bit thick. But the end product, you guys, isn't it amazing? It looks nice. It is still a normal pancake. So that is the simple process. But it's good to know that gluten does not actually affect everybody. There are some people who have gluten intolerance. Yeah, that's the right word. And those are the people that are encouraged to avoid wheat by whatever means, and also they should avoid a lot of spices. Did you know that gluten is actually the protein in wheat, and it is one that makes it stick together? Now you know. For a normal person who is gluten tolerant, wheat, especially with age, if consumed so much, causes excessive weight gain, and also the very refined wheat products can actually cause a spike in the blood sugar. The reason why this protein causes gut issues is because it brings about bloating and gas, and that's why people are advised to always take wheat products in moderation. You see what I was telling you about? It's very, very soft, but I just love the end product. It's just a sweet, normal pancake, although the texture feels very different because, as I said earlier, the rice flour is very, very soft, refined. At least now you are learning something new, and I've also learned myself. Then I've experimented so that I can show you guys that there are other alternatives to enjoying your favorite snacks. Because when you look at mostly like our local Kenyan, or I'm talking from a Kenyan perspective, for our breakfast we tend to just feed on wheat products. Is it a mandazi? Is it a samosa, chapati? So it's like there's always a component of wheat in our breakfast. This is just another amazing idea that can help you get options for breakfast or your snack besides wheat. Because if it's your child and you're packing for them a pancake, be it made of rice flour or oatmeal, you see, it's still a pancake. They will still enjoy it, but it will be a healthier option. For those wondering where you can get the rice flour, I actually asked the guys from the store that I got it from how they do it, and I was told it is just there's a way they will grind it. And if you're in Nairobi, Kenya, and I presume or I assume it's in any other place in Kenya, personally I got it at the Naivas supermarket. They have so many different varieties of flour. So we wanted to try the rice flour. Then I was also advised that oat flour is also very good. So I'll also be trying that until now we identify, the best. Now, if you enjoy this kind of content, previously I made something else that's amazing that you can try at home. I made carrot oil, and it is just working magic. It actually brightens your skin because it removes dark spots because of the component that it has. You can go back and watch that video. And if you love this kind of content, kindly consider subscribing to this channel. And you can also share and let us know in the comment section what you think about our video, and would you try rice pancakes?